Okay, hopefully this will help somebody out. If you have this washing machine, it's an LG Wave Force, but it's an inverter direct drive. I imagine most, no matter what your brand is, if it's an inverter direct drive, I'm sure it'll be the same. But anyway, what was happening is it would get a little ways into washing something, and then you come up and say LE. LE is, I believe it's a load error. It's basically telling you that your load is out of balance. So, did some looking, looked at everything, took everything apart, turned it over. What it was doing also that I noticed when I tried to start it back up and just test it, the bottom there spins and the basket spins, but the bottom was not, it was just kind of, when you start this thing up, it spins one way, spins another way, spins one, you know, back and forth to balance the actual clothes that are in there. And it was just going burp, 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 and it wasn't doing anything. Well, anyway, on the bottom of this thing is like a stator and I guess kind of a flywheel with a bunch of magnets around it. And it has this, which is called a Hall effect sensor. I don't know how y'all do stuff with one hand. This goes on that stator with, you know, it goes over the windings there, up from the bottom, and just plugs in, and this basically tells the washing machine where this disc is in rotation. So it can do its calculations and stuff and see if the load's going to be balanced or not. It was like 35 bucks on repairclinic.com. Anyway, this is the part number, I guess, if anybody wants it. This is the old one. I think it ends with like a B now. But anyway, got our washer running. I thought I was going to have to buy, you know, I don't know how much washers are now, but this thing's like 10 or 12 years old. And I think it was like 700-ish then. So 35 bucks. Nice.